Can you guess these 51 fruits in 3 seconds? Give your best try and don't forget to share your score in comment. From easy to identify to impossible. Let's go for easy level. So let's start the quiz. Apple. Don't skip video. You will miss fruits. Haha. Please subscribe to motivate us for making other good videos. Grapes. Watermelon. Share your score in comment. Blueberry. Mango. Lemon. Let's go for medium level. Peach. Plum. Avocado. Papaya. Pomegranate. Cranberry. Let's go for hard level. Lychee. Persimmon. Starfruit. Passion fruit. Tangerine. Prickly pear. Tamarind. Bolonga. Let's go for impossible level. Durian. Mangosteen. Cantaloupe. Quince. Buddha's hand. Horned melon. Maybe sapat. Kempidak. Feijoa. Breadfruit. Source or soap. Share your score and comment. Please like Like this video and share it with your friends to motivate us to make this type of video for you. Thank you for watching. Take your next challenge. Don't forget to subscribe.